Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how pre-workout is made. First, manufacturers begin by selecting high-quality raw ingredients. These are chosen for their specific benefits, like boosting energy or enhancing focus. Each ingredient is then meticulously weighed to ensure the formula's integrity. This precise measurement is crucial for consistency and effectiveness in every batch produced. Key ingredients often include caffeine for alertness, creatine for strength, and various amino acids for muscle support. Manufacturers work with trusted suppliers who provide certificates of analysis, guaranteeing purity. Before use, each raw material undergoes rigorous testing for contaminants and to confirm its potency, ensuring only the best components are used. Once approved, the individual ingredients are precisely weighed according to the product's unique formula. These measured components are then introduced into large industrial blenders. These machines thoroughly mix the powders, ensuring a homogeneous blend. Finally, flavoring agents and sweeteners are added to create an enjoyable taste profile for the consumer. After blending, the finished pre-workout powder is carefully filled into its designated containers. These containers are then securely sealed to protect the product from moisture and maintain its freshness. Before distribution, every batch undergoes a final round of quality assurance tests, confirming it meets all safety and efficacy standards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.